Hi, thanks for sharing your plan. You said this is marked open below, but in actual fact, it's not. Garage. So let's change that to open below. I think the reason the stairs don't show is because you didn't draw them properly. Stairs from a lower level should go up, not down. I know it's pointing the right direction, but it's not programmed to work that way. So I'm going to draw a new stair up. I think it's about there, ought to be right. And shallow, okay, I'm going to take another tread off. I wanted to just say staircase, which should give us about a 30-degree, yeah, rise angle. Well, it still says shallow. Huh. Una más. Staircase, there we go. And when you go up the first floor, oh, look, there it is. Now you probably ought to have a railing here so people don't just, walk into a hole. So this little thing here probably ought to be, instead of a room divider. Of course, this is your plan. I understand. I'm going to go over here, specify railing, not invisible, rail style, balusters. Yeah. Newels and balusters have those. We want to draw the panels and newels, but not the rails. That's my. I like to see the rails in plan view. Not sure what that's about. Yeah, well, okay. We need the floor of the stair room needs to be lowered so it matches the garage. What's the floor here? Wow, minus 44 and an 8. Okay. I mean, open below room doesn't have a floor per se, but it does have a virtual floor. I forget what that was. I'm getting old. There we go. I'm just going to copy it. Okay. I solved a major problem, and that's just it wasn't showing. This space wasn't marked open below, and the stairs were drawn in the wrong direction. But drawn in the wrong direction is why, and they had an arrow over here, but I don't see a problem here. I checked it earlier. We'll do a backlit cross section. Looked all right when I first glanced at it. Yeah, it's a little bit steep, but it reaches the next floor. Shows in plan view. I would take these rails and, unless they're solid, if they're solid railings, they are panels. Okay, never mind. But you go over here and draw panels, draw newels. I think it'll look better, more like a railing in plan view. A little bit. Okay, I don't know what the problem was here because this appears to be all right. Okay, that's down. Yeah, see, it says down over here and down here. So these are properly drawn. Yeah, okay. That looks all right. I don't know why you had an arrow over here, but these seem to be properly modeled. And this is the problem that I concentrated on. Hope this helps you out. But whether it does or not, make it a great day.